Summer is when the concept cars come out to play, and Porsche has a doozy in its Mission X, which the automaker unveiled at a celebration of 75 years of its sports cars. The Mission X is a look at how the next 75 years of great sports cars might unfold: fast, light, and electric. At 177.0 inches long, 78.7 inches wide, and 47.2 inches tall, the Mission X should fit nicely in your garage. It has a similar wheelbase, 107.4 inches, to the Carrera GT in 918. Other racing callouts can be seen in the headlight shape, long and placed low on the nose. Unlike the old cars, the new lights are LED modules. During daytime running, just a slim element is visible, but when you turn on the headlights, the full module opens, like an eye blinking open, says Porsche. The interior communicates the Mission X's sporting focus with some interesting aesthetic choices. The upper part of the driver's seat and dashboard are done up in Kalahari gray, while the passenger seat upper bolsters are in a contrasting brown. A motorsport style, yoke-like steering wheel is an unmistakable signal of its performance capabilities, as are the integrated 6-point seatbelts. There is no information on the motors, but the Mission X is promised to have a power-to-weight ratio of roughly 1 horsepower per 2.2 pounds, and a 900-volt system that will allow it to charge at twice the speed of the Taycan Turbo S, which Porsche says can go from 5 to 80% in just over 20 minutes.